Most people store fat in the morning. You're one decision away from flipping that. These 3 fat-burning habits activate your metabolism before 8 a.m. No gym, no pills, just biology. Number 1, cold water. First thing, 1 glass of cold water increases calorie burn by up to 30% for 40 minutes. Hydration equals activation. Number 2, fasted morning movement. Walk, stretch, or do light cardio before breakfast. This triggers fat as your primary fuel source. Burn fat, not food. Number 3, protein over carbs. High-protein breakfasts reduce cravings and spike metabolism. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or protein shakes win. Carbs can wait. Water, walk. Protein. Do this for 7 mornings straight and watch your energy rise and your waistline shrink. This is your morning fat-burning formula